a Raspberry Pi Retro Pi Arcade lid, 3D printed. In this case, three layers, 2 colors, easy change out of filament halfway through if you want the nice lettering in a different color, or you can fill it in with a felt marker. The Pi board with the hat on it plugged onto the connector, and there's the Picade box hat and the 3D printed box. This is a wall mount 3D printed box, and here's the box here itself. Has a crimp connector on top, screws down to hold your wires tight, and that's about it. All available on Thingiverise under Mike C's 3D printed Pi Arcade.